Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
A mobile hotspot shares your phone data and creates a Wi-Fi network for other devices. Treat this network like any home router and secure it properly. Use WPA2 or WPA3 security to prevent easy access by strangers. Choose a password with at least 8 characters and include letters, numbers, and symbols for strength. Do not use obvious words or the default device name as the password. Turn off the hotspot when you finish to save battery and reduce exposure to unknown devices. Open Settings, then choose Network and Internet, and tap Hotspot and Tethering to edit. Select Wi-Fi hotspot and change the network name if you want a clearer SSID. Enter a new password with at least 8 characters, using letters, numbers, and symbols for higher security. Set security to WPA2 or WPA3 if available. This is stronger than open networks. Tap Save or Apply to confirm changes. Check the connected devices list and disconnect any unknown or suspicious device immediately. On iPhone, open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot to view hotspot options and password. Tap the Wi-Fi password field and type a new password of at least 8 characters. Aim for 12 characters for extra protection. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to make guessing harder. Consider changing the password every 90 days or after lending device access. Disable Allow others to join when you are finished, and review connected devices to remove any unknown entries immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.